Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete Fantasy Premier League account. So open the Premier League application. Once you open the application, you need to get logged in. Now once you have been logged in, you need to tap on More on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap that. This will direct you to the More option where you will be able to manage your account setting, favorite teams, and all the other options are available here. From here, you need to tap on Manage Account inside Setting. Tap that. In this account manage page, you will have all the options that you can make updates or make changes to your profile. If you scroll down to the very bottom, you will have the option of delete account. Permanently delete your Premier League account including your Fantasy Premier League team. So tap on delete account. This will begin the deleting process of your league account. So once you're at this page, what you need to do is tap on that next icon on the top right just beside the delete account. You tap that. It will direct you to the page where you will be going through the further process of deleting your account. Here are a few information before you delete your account. Once confirmed, your account will be permanently deleted in 21 days. And if you like to return, you will need to create a new account. So once deleted, after 20 days time period, you cannot log into your previous account and you will have to create a new account if you join in it. So before you delete or before you move forward to the deletion process, you will need to provide the password. Type in the password on the text box. Then tap on confirm password. Account removal confirmation. So if you are sure, you need to do the final process, that is tap on confirm and it will delete your account. Tap that. Account removal confirmation. Your Premier League account has entered the deletion process and will be completely removed in 21 days. So if you want to log in, you have 21 days left before your account is completely deleted. Hope this video was useful on how to delete Fantasy Premier League account. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.